Chettinad Dental College and Research Institute, located in Chennai, is recognized by the Dental Council of India. It focuses on shaping the next generation of healthcare professionals through immersive clinical training and real-world learning.
So we were always looking for a platform where the feedbacks from the students will be considered.
I wish that there was one single platform where I can do everything.
We had our own pace of learning where we could pause, we could rewind, we could take notes at our own convenience.
With a vision to lead the future of dental education, the institution is transforming oral healthcare one smile at a time.
I'm the principal of the Chettinad Dental College. I'm Dr. Rajesh. Chettinad Dental College, the promoters of this institution from the Chettinad Group, its chairman, Dr. M.A.M.R. Muthaya. He's a visionary philanthropist and a businessman. And he has developed this Chettinad Health City. And it was established in the year 2007. Sir brought in learning management systems for the best education of students.
Looking back, learning materials were accessible, but the learning experience was incomplete. Without voice-over explanations, students often missed the context between the slides, making learning less engaging and less effective.
I used previous platforms like Google Classroom and Canvas LMS. With Google Classroom, I can be a little more organized with my lectures, whereas in LMS, I had opportunity of uploading my PowerPoints and everything. So everything had a different platform.
The main thing is when we are using our learning management system, we can't assess how the students, they had understood our chapters.
And sir was to ask us, how many of the students take your classes regularly? How many of your students view your class regularly? So these questions were not answered that time.
As ideas evolved and challenges grew, change became inevitable. Chettinad Dental College sets out to find a solution that could grow with them.
All our students travel from the city for 1 or 2 hours. So we were actually planning to have podcasts.
The vision was simple. Learning could happen anytime, anywhere, not just within the walls of a classroom.
I'm Dr. Dharni. I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of Orthodontics, Chettinad Dental College. My main challenge was communication. So I wish that there was a medium where I could communicate everything that I wanted and where the students could also easily respond.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kanmani from the Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology. It was difficult for us to manage the clinical attendance daily, and also we had difficulty in handling the larger batches of students, and also we didn't have a central hub to communicate with the students as well.
I'm Dr. Bhuvneshwari Mahalingam, reader from Department of Oral Pathology and Microbiology. In our learning management system, we could upload only our PowerPoint presentation videos. We can't assess how the students, they had understood our chapters.
That's when Zoho Classes became the foundation of a new way to teach and learn.
We came across Zoho. So we asked Zoho how best they can show us. We were of the opinion all our students travel from the city for 1 or 2 hours. So if they can hear something from the headphones. So we were actually planning to have podcasts.
Zoho Classes, personally speaking, has made me save a lot of time for a generation which expects a lot of variety in how they are learning. And it has made me save time purely because the user interface itself is very easy. Not just the application version in the mobile, but also the website version.
I was very comfortable in using the class feeds where I could give important announcement through that and interact with the students. And there were also options like video courses where I could upload all the classes over there. Even the student is missing at the class, they can use it later at home even.
Once we uploaded the courses for the chapters, it will be available for all throughout the year, and it can be used for the next upcoming years too. Thereby it saves most of our time.
And while taking classes, it was like the file was readily available. The moment I click the button, it gets displayed and there is no need to wait for the file to open and all. Then I play it on the screen and the students will be able to relate to it so that I can just show them the importance of the concept.
After having transformed teaching and learning at Chettinad Dental College, the next step taken by Zoho Classes was to introduce AI as an intelligent teaching companion.
The AI assistant which is available in the Zoho itself, it prepared the questions for us and that can be easily convertible into the MCQs.
So AI, it actually makes my life easier, and the fact that it is being incorporated into an educational platform, it is one of the biggest advantages of Zoho Classes.
Zoho Classes made teaching easier. But did it make learning better?
With Zoho, we had our own pace of learning where we could pause, we could rewind, we could take notes at our own convenience, and that was much helpful.
If I'm sick someday or missed another class, and I go back and rewatch the old videos.
The AI feature, which acts as my personal tutor. If I ask a particular question to the AI assistant, it gives me the exact answer from the study material which is uploaded by your doctors.
The one thing that I like most about these Zoho classes is that I get reminders and notifications continuously, which helps me to keep on track with my studies, and its interface is very simple and quick, and it's also easy to navigate.
Initially, students responded with curiosity when we introduced the Zoho Classes, but as they started using it, it was very easy for the students.
Students are very convenient using the user-friendly mobile app in Zoho, and then it is easy for them to use the assignment portal to submit the assignment wherever they are.
Zoho gives the student a lot of independence. Those students who will not come by themselves, those students also responded. And those departments which were actually asking for assignments, those assignments were also uploaded, and the faculty can see the amount of submission right in their mobile.
Zoho Classes brought together every tool and teaching methodologies to build a strong educational ecosystem in Chettinad Dental College.
For me, Zoho Classes is very mobile friendly.
Very organized.
Versatile.
It is efficient.
It's student friendly.
Fantastic.
It's all in one place.